Hi, in this demo we're going to show a very simple button control with Arduino Uno, and it's just going to control the LED light, and we're going to show different versions of code, and that's having stateful control and control with debouncing. Alright, let's get going. And we have a red LED light, and we're just going to put into the breadboard, and it's connected to 220 resistor. So we got a component right, and then we have a button. Make sure we're going to connect to the right way. Okay, get the button done, and then let's connect a 10K resistor. Okay, so let's get the power done. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a power coming from the board, and let's get the ground connected to the ground, and let's see. So for LED control we use pin 12. I should do it. And this we use connect the power to the button, and then we're gonna sense the voltage using pin number 2. So let's check the wire. Power comes in, and this one power comes from here, and it goes back to ground. That looks good. And this one power comes from here, it goes to this side of the button, and it was sensed to this side, it goes to things, go back to it. So it looks right. So let's run it. So let's download the code. Okay, code is done. Let's see if we press, hit let, release, press, release. That seems to be good. Now let's run the second version of a code that actually implement a stateful button control. Okay, let's see. Press, off, press, off, press, off. Seems to be working fine. Now, it just missed once because the debouncing effect. See? I couldn't let it down. So, this is where we're gonna need a third version. So let's try the third version. Which has some debouncing processing to make sure we're not caught into the moment. So it's done. Let's see. It should be much more stable now. Yeah. No matter how you're gonna do it, it seems to be a pretty stable push button. That's it for this demo.